Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can add the auto caption in CapCut. Firstly, I'm just going to do a new project and add the video that I want captions to. So I'm going to be choosing this one as an example. And then from here, you should find the text on the bottom slide. Once you've clicked that, right off the bat, you will see the auto captions. Click that as well. Here it'll show the settings, and here you can select the language that you want for your caption. There are a bunch of options that you can choose from basically, and then you can just pretty much experiment or explore the settings. And once you think you're done with the settings, click on the start button right there, and then just wait for it to process or create the auto captions. And then there you go, you have your auto captions. That is all for this tutorial. I hope that helps. Thank you.